Maintaining a collection of classic cars in first-class condition so that they are all ready for you to use can be a logistically challenging process, requiring relationships with a number of specialists who look after specific makes and model of classic car. Here at JD Classics, we manage collections for customers all over the world and provide a collection management service encompassing every facet of classic car ownership, with proven expertise with all of the major classic marques. From routine maintenance to full restorations to the highest standards. Here at JD Classics, we have unrivaled in-house facilities to make sure your cars are maintained in the very best condition. Our body shop routinely produces concours standard bodywork. Our engine shop produces engines with the highest levels of reliability and performance. And if we cannot recondition parts on your car or source original components during restoration, our well-equipped machine shop can reproduce components to the most exacting standards. Our trim department can restore or retrim any interior to original or enhanced specification. Although we have expertise on working with traditional materials, we also work on the latest composite structures and electronic systems prevalent on the most complex and advanced modern road and competition cars. In fact, if you're keen to go racing, you'll discover the heart of JD Classics. From the founder to many of our staff and customers, racing is our passion, and we are proud of our track record at historic events all over the world. From the Mille Miglia, Monaco, Le Mans, Goodwood, and just about every racetrack in between. We prepare and engineer race cars from all formula and eras to compete to the highest levels. Although in historic racing, the company is inextricably linked with success in earlier GT cars. We also prepare younger, technically more complex, historic race cars, and our collection of Group C cars with highly sophisticated engineering requirements regularly run with considerable success at major historic race meetings. Although historic racing is obviously an amateur pastime, our customers have expectations of competitive, professional standards of preparation, and our racing record across all historic race formulae speaks for itself. It's not all about racing for us. If you want a car prepared to concours winning standards and have a good opportunity to achieve success on the most prestigious concours lawns, we have the experience and the track record to get your car profiled at the best events in the world, from Goodwood to Pebble Beach. If you simply want to enjoy your cars occasionally on the road, safe in the knowledge that they've been maintained to the best possible order in factory standard condition, or perhaps with subtle upgrades to increase practicality for today's driving conditions, we can provide a management service for your collection, tailored to your requirements. We discreetly look after collections for customers all over the world, who not only recognise the world-class skill sets inherent with JD Classics, but also acknowledge that the UK, the centre of the classic car world, also benefits from a financial climate and tax regime which is well suited to classic car ownership and usage. With 50 highly qualified staff who have restored, race prepared and maintained every type of classic car, we are justifiably proud of our reputation and work tirelessly to ensure that we make your collector car ownership a more rewarding experience. Whether you want to race, show, event or simply enjoy your classic cars on the road, we have proven experience at maintaining and often adding value to the best classic cars in the world. Manufacturers and collectors alike choose JD Classics to manage their collections. Please contact us to see how we can assist you in maximising your enjoyment and financial investment from your classic car portfolio.